Somebody's asked for a lesson on a tune called Mavra in Mallias, which means your hair is black. So I'll quickly do the tune. I didn't know this tune, so I had to learn it from scratch, so it'll be very, very basic. Okay, so it'll be very basic, no trembles. So the instrument's tuned to A, E, B. So A, E, and B. Okay, so most of this you'll be starting on a forward bow movement. So it's no fingers, just on the lower pitch side, playing the two chords, the middle and lower pitch, forward and back, no fingers. And then coming forward, we're going to swivel the instrument and play the high pitch side with no fingers. Now you can either just play the high pitched on its own with the bow, or you can play a bit of the middle. Obviously it sounds better with the playing the middle as well. So it's forward and back on the low pitch side, swivel. Now as you're coming back, it's a slur. I will leave a link in the description what a slur is. It's when you play two notes with one bow movement. So halfway through, that's in fact it's on the forward bow movement we're doing the slur. So as we start, we're going to no fingers on halfway through. We're going to swivel and drop the third finger on the middle chord. Obviously we're swiveling as well, so when we're halfway through, we're swiveling, dropping the third finger on the middle chord only, touching the middle chord with your third finger, and playing on the low pitch side. So we're not touching any of the high pitch, so you play the middle and mostly the middle, but if you can touch the low pitched as well. And the rest of it's no fingers at all, so it's just, I'll leave a link in the description for the tune as well, so you should, obviously the person that's asked for this tune knows it. Okay, finishing back. So when we're swiveling over to the low pitch side, we're going to go straight over to the high pitch side and finish with no fingers. Finishing back, starting forward. Okay, and then the rest of this first part is very similar. So just a slight pause, you'll notice that in the song as well. Again, we're going to swivel over again in this second part and finish with same thing, slurring on the forward bow movement. And this time when we come forward, second finger high pitched chord, first finger high pitched chord, forward back, forward no fingers. That's forward back. And finishing forward with no fingers. probably, we won't do trembles today, so just very basic. So that's the first part. Very short, sharp bow movements. Now the next bit, we're finishing forward, bring back your bow and start. So first finger only touching the high pitched chord, first, second, fourth finger. Finishing back, starting forward. Good idea to keep all the fingers grounded when this one comes down, so that we can just lift them up as we come back. Finishing forward. So the next bit is, there's a slight pause, again that's in the tune. This time we're going to come forward with the second and fourth fingers. Bring them down at the same time. And now we're going to lift the fourth on the way back. Again, this is a slur, 2 notes with one bow movement. Sorry, I've got that wrong. So okay, we're just going to lift the fourth finger. There's a slur here. Lift the fourth. There's a slur here. Finishing forward. Starting forward. Now we're going to do this. We can start finishing forward, so we can start backward. So we're going to slur is on the forward here, so backwards. Okay, so both second and fourth down, and then we're on the way back. So back, we're going to touch the second and the fourth. And on the way forward, halfway through, lift the fourth finger. So it should sound like that. Sorry. And then we're going to keep the second finger down. Again, the slur at the end, which we've already done. So finishing back. So I'll do that all from the start. Go finishing back. Now the next bit is, because we're finishing back, we can start forward. Same as the first bit. Starting forward. Another slur, as we've done at the start. I think it's exactly the same. Again, we've done that. Now we're going to finishing forward. We're going to lift the bow and come forward again, and doing it again with a different ending. Now, forward, back, forward. Second finger only touching the middle chord. First finger touching the middle and the low pitched. Okay, so it's okay. That's that, and then finishing forward. So bring your bow back. Okay, so on the low pitch side, starting with the forward bow movement, you can either jump on this first finger, touching the middle and the low pitched. Swiveling only touching the low pitched with the second finger, and we're going to swivel and only play the low pitched chord. You can actually tremble the third as well on the single chord, but we won't do trembles on this exercise. So then we're going to go same thing, but swivel over onto the high pitch side, and then third finger, first finger. Forward, swivel, no fingers. Forward, back. Forward, forward, back, forward. And then we're going to go ground the first, play the second, ground both, first and second, lift the second on the way back, and keep the first down at the end. So and then it's just keep the first finger down and just a very slight tremble on the second finger. You can actually lift it at the last minute to get that sound. You can do that. I mean, you can really do anything here. So it's forward and back. So a jump on the forward, only jumping on the second finger, keeping it down on the way back. Okay, keeping that down and just lifting the second. Again, coming back. That's third finger, first finger. That's a slow. finish it there. I think all of that towards the end. Okay, so that's how it ends. Very similar. So I hope that helps the person that asked for the lesson. Give it a like if you like the lesson, and if you do have a song request, leave a comment. I'll see if I can do it. I've got about 4 in the queue at the moment, so including setup, which is a very long one. Thanks for watching.